Hi guys, my name is Sayan Saha, and in this video we're going to share with you how to change the icon of your application. So let's open the Android Studio from here, and as you can see here, the default icon of my application is this one, but I'm going to change this one. But how can I do it? Go to the drawable, right click on it, then new, and make an image asset. As you can see here, the default icon, the default name of my icon is IC underscore launcher, and make this happen. And the icon is this one, but I'm gonna change it to like another, and it should be like this one. And you can add some adjustment like resizing, a lot of things, and I think this one is good. Then click on next, and as you can see here, you can see some alerts like some files will overwrite existing files. If this happens, then that's okay. Then click on finish, and that's it. Run your application and you will see a new icon of your application. If it doesn't work, then you can reboot your mobile or AVD, and then absolutely it will work. If this video is helpful for you, you can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos that we're gonna make.